Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Winter Palettes Palette Bingo. So let's start the wheel. 2 palettes, 1 look. We have Ciate London, the Editor palette, and Revolutions and Soph. So here's the Ciate London Editor's palette, and this is what she looks like. And we got Soph, Revolution Soph. It's very reflective, and that's what she looks like. Okay, we got 1 through 18, 11, 10, 14, 10, 2, 6. Here's the story. We're gonna do Running Late first. It's like orangey tan color. Going in first. All over the crease. I'm gonna go in with the Princess palette with my pink color right here. And just blend that in the crease. Going in the Ciate London palette and going in with this blue color, which is weird that this is the same palette as the Revolution, but these don't have names on them, and the Revolution does. So this blue shimmer color I'm going in with. Just kind of like detailing it in the crease area and then outer V. And just blend that into the Romance color. It's mostly on the lid. I have to use my finger. Just going all over prior to most of the lid. Probably half right there. Okay, I'm going to go on top of the same kind of color. Just go on top with the different palette because I messed up. It's supposed to be this color. But that is fine. It's just gonna go right on top of the other color. It's more like vibrant and more pigmented. And then I'm gonna go in with this color right next to it. Again with my pinky. I'm just going in, filling in the rest of the lid with it. I'm gonna go in with this blue color. And I whitened the inner portion with this. I had this color pencil white eyeliner so long. It still works really good and it's still creamy. I got the eyeliner at Sally's Beauty, and I only went to that place twice in my life. The first time I went, I got eyeliners, and that was like, I'm gonna say 10 years ago, probably. I was really young, and I wanted to try Sally's Beauty out, so I had this for a very, very long time. Okay, I'm going back with the Romance color, the right color, and going in right next to the blue. going in with the Dream color. In the inner corner. And here's the finished look. I do not like the look at all. It looks like a muddy puddle on my eyes. To me, I'm sorry, but that's how I feel about this eye look. I like this better, like that. And this one, I don't know. It's never the same look. Like the eye is completely different from the other eye. This one, I like it better than this one, but oh well. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, so that's the finished look for today. The color story is pretty. I just didn't create a good look for it, sadly. But that is it for today's look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.